Let's discuss about power. See, power is defined as rate at which work is being done. Okay, so when we talk about the rate of work done, see, power will be equal to work done by time taken. Okay, now this is the average power. Okay, now at that particular instant, suppose if we have to calculate the power, then P is equal to dW by dt. Now remember, whenever we use dt for a very small change in time. Okay, so P is equal to dW by dt at that instant. So what is work done? Work done is F into S, correct? Where force into displacement. So we have P is equal to d by dt of F into S. Right, F is constant anyway because the displacement is happening, force is constant, right? So P is equal to F into d by dt of S. Now, what is rate of change of displacement? Velocity. So put that here. So we have P is equal to F into V. Okay, so power can also be defined as the product of force and velocity. The SI unit of power is watt. Okay, now this 1 watt is nothing but 1 joule per second, meaning if 1 joule of energy is being spent to work in 1 second, then the power is defined as 1 watt. Okay, now here the dimension formula is also important. Okay, the dimension formula is mL2T minus 3. Okay, see here, apart from watt, we also use one more you can say a measurement, that is horsepower. 1 HP is 746 watts. Now usually the motors and the pumps will be in terms of horsepower, and even the engine power, we say the engine of this is 500 bhp, 300 bhp, 1000 bhp, meaning the engine displacement, which is what is happening, the power of the engine is 1000 watts. Okay, so 1000, now if you're talking about 1000 bhp, then 1 HP 746 watts. Now you can imagine the power of the engine, right? Okay, now apart from this HP, that is horsepower and watt, in local day-to-day life activities, what we use kilowatt hour, especially for electrical energy. Like if you look at the electricity bill, they have units in terms of kilowatt hour. See, 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules of energy. Okay, meaning that's the energy you actually use to run some machine, let's say a 100-watt bulb, for about 1 hour. Okay, that's 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Now, one very important thing, kilowatt hour is the unit of energy, not for power. Okay, so do not get confused between power and energy here. Alright, so that's why in the bill, electricity bill, they represent how much of energy you have used. It doesn't give you what is the power what you have used. Okay, so go through the video so that you understand the difference between types of powers, like the units I'm talking about, like the watt, horsepower and kilowatt hour. Understand?